as promised. What's good, YouTube? Drizzy Gang in the hood. Man, Drizzy Gang was good, family. Like I said, as promised, y'all, I said I was going to react to this the next day, and we here. We got BTS Airplane Part 2. Now, I did see a lot of comments telling me to make sure I react to the Japanese version. All right? I don't know. I don't know what the other version is, but y'all told me to specifically react to this one. Now, off the rip, I already see there's no captions. No captions. But it's cool. It's cool there's no captions, y'all. Because at the end of the day, I loved what I heard. Yesterday, there was no captions, but I still loved what I heard. All right? Now, y'all may see, I don't know if I'm putting the title, but this is a 2-in-1 special. So we're reacting to the music video, and then we're also going to react to the dance practice video. Because I don't want to make 2 separate videos on this song. I'd rather just put it all in one. So consider this, you know what I'm saying, an early New Year's gift from, you know what I'm saying, your boy pt.2. I'm excited for this one, man, because y'all don't know how hard it was for me not to play this after that video I did yesterday. And then also not play it today on my shift. Y'all don't understand how hard it was not to play this song. So I'm very excited for this. Like I said, we're not going to know a lick of what they're saying in this song, but we're here for the vibes. You know what I'm saying? We're here for the vibes. And I won't do a whole lot of pausing in this because we already got to react to this and then re-react to the song technically by the dance practice. So, hey, man, I'm excited for this. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video, man. Hey, I just want to let y'all know Saturday there probably will be a bunch of late uploads because I'm out, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be busy in the morning. And I gotta go get it cut midday. So a lot of my videos might come on more so in the evening towards the night. So just be prepared for that. Just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's get straight into this, man. Road to 20K. I'm excited for this, bro. This shit was crazy. This is in 1080p? Okay. Come on. Yeah. I'm telling y'all, bro, when Jimin comes in with the like high-pitched vocals, it just like it complements so well because he's the only one on the squad that, like, I'm not gonna say he's the only one on the squad that get high notes, obviously not, but like he does it consistently. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, man, when it just complements them so well. Come on. And then he's like with the deep voice. This is a creative video too so far. Come on. Hey, man, don't mind the vocals, man. I'm still, you know what I'm saying, still trying to get my voice back. But yeah, bro, them high notes, man. Okay. Yeah. People's in the middle. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hold on. The wait, bro, that caught me off guard. Y'all gotta remember, bro, in the audio from yesterday, you know what I'm saying, they didn't filter out the crowd. So we was hearing the song, but we wasn't truly hearing it. The way that just came in with the beat, the way he just came in with the beats, holy shit. Hold on. Come on, let's check in. Come on, let's check in. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I love the ad-libs. I wonder how the dance practice about to go. They hitting that. Do y'all hear the high notes? Nah. Yo, bro. Listen, I don't think I'll ever be able to get the lyrics to this, bro, because they're not speaking English or even like really that. I don't even think there's any bits of English in this. But, bro, just want to let y'all know this is up there with one of them, bro. The chorus is just too catchy. I'm only candy. I'm only Y'all already see it, bro. Y'all already see it. Oh, man, we on to the dance practice, man. We on to the dance practice. All right, y'all. We running it back. We running the same song right the fuck back. All right, man. I'm excited for this dance practice video because the music video, y'all obviously saw the chorus when they were like together and dancing, but I wonder how they're gonna do it because there's a lot of solo parts in the song. You know what I'm saying? And in the music video. So I wonder how they're gonna go about this. But man, let's check it out. I don't mind hearing it again. He about to do this in the high heels? Obviously, it's not high heels, y'all. I forgot what these shoes were called. I used to want these so bad. Ooh. Come on. Oh my god, right? This shit. Oh. Nah, this is. Oh my God. Yeah. Bro, I love his verse on this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I still gotta remember the rest of their names. And hey, I ain't gonna lie. His smile is so contagious, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Every time he smiles, bro, he just catches me smiling, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. That's so fire. I'm gonna be so honest with you. I'm gonna be so transparent. This might bubble to my top five. My top five. Once again, I don't even know what they're talking about today. But just how good this song is, bro. It's one of them songs you're gonna catch yourself just. Obviously, this song has been out, so y'all probably can already agree to what I'm about to say. This is gonna be one of them songs I'm gonna catch myself around the house just going. Like it's one of those, bro. It's one of those. I am so glad I reacted to the 2018 MMA, bro. I'm so glad I reacted to that, bro. Because, man, I would have never... I mean, I probably would have obviously came along to this song. A lot of y'all said that y'all already requested me for me to react to this song. But, man, it's moved into my top five, bro. And I don't even think I can give you my top five right now because I probably won't be able to... You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going to just end up taking something out, putting something in, and pause. But, man, these boys are the truth. They're the truth. They're the truth. Like, I don't think there's anything... Like, they're the truth.